If you remember, 2 months ago, a company sent over an AirPods clone. So these I got 2 months ago. I did a review on them. And that same company sent over another pair of earbuds. This time it's called the Stereo 5.0 True Wireless Earbuds. And this is the box. So we're going to unbox it and I'm going to give you my review of it. So on the front, you have a lady wearing earbuds. On the back, you have a man wearing earbuds. On one side, it gives you the colors. There's black, white, blue, and B/W mix. Does that mean black, white, or blue, white? I'm not sure. And also on the other side, it gives you a little bit of information about them. It's true wireless stereo, ultra small, call music, and fast charging. So let's open it up. Inside, we have this piece of plastic that's holding the earbuds and the case together. Put that off to the side, and here we have a little bag. Inside the bag, the manual tells you how to use your earbuds and stuff like that. And also you have this small micro USB cable so you can charge your earbuds, and also ear tips. Small, large. The medium ones are already on the earbuds. Okay, the earbuds are in the case, and this is what it looks like. It is a bit thinner than the AirPods Pro, or just at the same level, but it is longer. The case is also a little thick, considering that it needs to hold the huge battery that it has inside, but the design is nice. On the bottom, it has a nice matte black finish, and on the top, it has a glossy clear lid, because there is an LCD display underneath it through which you can see your battery percentage of the case and also of the earbud, because these earbuds do not have an application to them. Opening the lid, you can feel that the hinge is not very well built, and this is one of my complaints and one of the very few complaints I have with these. The lid is a little wobbly, mainly because of the hinge. The hinge is just a piece of metal through the plastic at the back, and it just hinges backwards. This lid does have a nice feature, and that is that it has a magnet, so it won't drop out very easily. And I'm shaking it very hard, so don't worry, the lid won't just fall down. And if they do, the earbuds will stay in here because they are magnetically attached to the charging port. So yeah, that's my only complaint about the design of the case. Also, if you notice in the front of the case, you have like this piece of plastic that comes out, and it reveals two ports, a Type A and a micro USB. The micro USB is where you charge your earbuds, and the Type A is where you can possibly charge other devices if you have a cable for it, or if you have a device that supports micro USB, you can use the cable that comes with the earbuds. Also, if you flip up the lid, you'll notice that there is a tiny LCD display that displays your battery percentage of the case and the earbud. And once you put them in, you can feel that these will not come out. And I'm not joking, these will not come out. Unlike these, the AirPods clone from 2 months ago, the ones they sent me, these ones, mainly because of the shape of my ear and how my ear was designed, they will fall out super easily, just like that. But these, if I just jostle my head around as hard as I can, they still won't come out. Maybe if I bang my head or something, but I don't want to do that right now. They would probably come out, but it takes a lot of persuasion. The way these are designed is quite interesting. It's like an oval box, except for the edges around it, so it provides comfort. You'll also notice that on the earbud, there's a little LED indicating whether you're pairing or whether the earbud is on. Above that little LED, you also have the microphone, and we'll get to that in a minute. On the same side that you find the microphone and the LED, you'll have the touchpad. It's one tap for play, one tap for pause. It's also one tap for answer calls and one tap for declining calls. It's two taps on the right earbud to go to the next track, two taps on the left one to go to the previous track. Also, if you have voice assistant on your phone, all you have to do is long press, it's going to activate the assistant. Talk about the loudness. These are super loud, and I am not joking when I say super loud. These earbuds will literally blast out your ears if you put it to the max volume. I unfortunately had to experience this while I was testing these out. I didn't know that they were on max volume. I played a song and it literally almost destroyed my eardrum. Okay, that's probably a little over exaggerating, but it was so loud. I never recommend that you put it on max volume because you will probably lose your hearing. I want to do a test and see how quickly we can connect these to the Bluetooth on your phone. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn off my Bluetooth, and I'm also going to unpair these so they're not paired yet. All right, so this is how it's gonna work. We have the Bluetooth off and we have the earbuds in their case. So we're going to see how quickly we can pair them up and play some music. So ready, steady, go. Currently connected. And done. So it just took that small amount of time from them being in their case. The Bluetooth was off. All I had to do was take them out of the case, turn on the Bluetooth, and it was already showing up in the available devices, even if it was not paired. Once you press paired, it took a little bit of time. It asked if you want to pair these earbuds, and it was that quick. As you saw, it took only a short time to connect it, and then to put some music, well, that step was not really necessary, but as you can see, it took a very short amount of time. Alright, as I said, these are loud, but sometimes they can be loud and they don't have good quality of sound. That is not the situation with these earbuds. They are loud, but they are also very good quality sound. Now, it's not like the best, like say they were Sennheiser or Sony over-ear headphones, but these have pretty good quality of sound, even when you put it to the max. But as I said, I suggest that you do not put the sound to the max because it will blow out your ears. The call quality is not the best, however, it is good. When you are talking to someone with these earbuds, it sounds a tiny bit like you are on speakerphone, but it doesn't really sound like it is on speakerphone. However, I've noticed that if you are outside and it's windy, it will interfere with your voice. And also if you are on asphalt and you're riding, like say a scooter, I'm not sure why you would be calling someone while you're riding a scooter, but if you are, the vibrations from the asphalt will make the audio sound quite bad. Except for that, the audio is really good actually when you are calling. The battery life is good, and I've had it for about 6 days now, and I've only charged it once to max, and that was when it was at 60% the case, and it's currently at 82%, and it hasn't died on me yet, so they're very reliable with the battery life. The call time is 5 hours, the play time is 6 hours. So far, I'm not sure how long I've listened to it, but the battery life will last you for a pretty long time. The price, and this is the surprising part, these are only $40. I'll drop a link down below where you guys can get these. So that's about it for this video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Also, please share this video with your friends and family. So that's about it for this video, guys. I'll see you in the next one.